ROBB FIELD Skateboard Park, Ocean Beach, San Diego, California. Figured I'd just cruise over there and check it out with you guys. I've been there before. Ooh. I actually rode my beach cruiser in it. It's pretty awesome. Anyhow, right off of the end of Bacon here in OB. Bacon. See, yeah, you get to get out again. Got my pup with me today because we just went to Dogs Beach. So let me get her harnessed up here. Put a leash on her, huh? Okay. Forget my hat. Sunblock. Well, hopefully we see some good skateboarding here in just a minute. We're going to cruise over there right now. You ready to do this, Sadie? Let's go check them out. Oh. Hold on there. You better lock your doors here, I hate to say it. Because you never know. Anyhow, let's go, baby. Let's go to see the skateboarders. All kinds of little practice mini bowls here on the way in. It's pretty sweet. 3 little mini bowls. Another little mini bowl. And another. Come on. Almost there. Little squirrel. There won't be no squirrel hunting today. Let's go. Yeah, I had to cruise down to the beach today, and I figured I'm not going alone. I'm going to take my little poochie girl. So she's hanging with the daddy doing the boys thing today. Come on. This is the park. It's freaking awesome. Ooh, that dude's awesome on the bike over there. There's the deep bowl way over there where the bike's at. That guy's sweet. Little skateboard sesh. Nice. Nice. Looks like the guys on the bikes are ruling today. Nice. Some people are really good here. That dude on that bike floated at 360. That was fat. Both the dudes on the BMX. Whoa, look at that. That was awesome. The dude over there, if you could see him, was just killing it. Trying to look through the bars because I can't bring the dog in there. I'll miss that. Well, the BMXers are going off over there. Transferring pool to, oh yeah, fat tabletop. This guy's good too, but I can't. Shoot, they're all cool and good. That was fat. Whoa. I don't know if you caught that. That guy was airing huge over there in that pool. Should go over there and check out the big aerial pools where the big dogs are skating. Well, hope you liked it. It was awesome.